Hello friends, myself Dr. Vaishali Vasavda. I welcome you all on my channel. So today we will discuss about Shroni, that is female pelvis, and in that Praman, Asthi, Akar and Sandhi. So here Samanya map, that is measurements of Shroni. So Purusha Uraha Pramana Vistirna Stri Shroni ही means स्त्री की श्रोणी का जो प्रमाण है उसका जो मेजरमेंट है वो पुरुष के उरस यानी कि चेस्ट रीजन से सिमिलर होता है. अष्टदशांगुल विस्तारम उरह दैट इज 18 अंगुल जो है उसका प्रमाण बताया गया है. तत्प्रमाण पुरुषस्य कटि ही मीन्स सेम उसके जो प्रमाण है वो पुरुष के कटि के अकॉर्डिंग जो है वो रहता है. विच मीन्स स्त्री का जो उरस है उसका प्रमाण पुरुष के कटि के इक्वल बताया गया है एंड पुरुष का जो उरस है उसका प्रमाण जो है वो स्त्री के श्रोणी के इक्वल बताया गया है. So, according to Shushrutaracharya and Kashyapa Samhita, measurements of chest of male and waist of female is same. They both are broader compared to other body part and 18 angula, and according to Dalhana that is 12 and 24 angula, and according to Chakrapani it is 24 angul. So these praman attained after maturity. So once the maturity, that is their proper sexual organs develops, that is around between 13 to 16 year of age. So after that it will attain full maturity, then this pramana they will attain. So Shroni is below Urusandhi here. So union of femur bone head with the pelvic bones, and above Samara Mandira, that is nothing but the clitoris part. So here in this picture you can see the picture where I have shown the pelvis, where one line has been drawn, imaginary line, that is black colored one. So that is above the Samara Mandira, and you can say that they are the almost near to the intertrochanteric, both the area, both the side of intertrochanteric area. Next is Shroni Asthi. So numbers and types. So Dve Shroni Falake Ekam Bhagasthi. According to Charak Samhita Sharirsthan 7th or 6th slok number, 3 bones they have mentioned in that. Dve Shroni Falake means 2 Shroni Falak, both ilium and ischium they have included here, including sacrum. So in Shroni Falak, whole ilium, ischium and sacrum has been included, and coccyx, and in Bhagasthi one pubic bone is included. So total 3 bones, 2 Shroni Falak and 1 Bhagasthi, and Shroni Falak includes ilium, ischium, sacrum and coccyx. According to Shushruta Samhita Sharirsthan 5th chapter 19 by 20, Shroniam Panchaha means 5 bones Shushrutaracharya have mentioned. Tesham Guda Bhaga Nitambeshu, which means 1 Gudasthi, that is coccyx, 1 Bhagasthi, that is pubic bone, Nitamba, that is hip bone. So hip bone comprises of 2 bones, right and left. 1 Trikasthi, that is sacrum. So it has been so based on this nomenclature, it is said that here Trikasthi means sacrum is made up of 3 bones. Probably that we can take here. The bone of Nitamba are Kapalasthi, means the type of bone of which Nitamba contains or hip bone contains, they are Kapalasthi or flat bones. According to Ashtang Sangrah Sharirsthan, they have Ashtang Sangraha have mentioned that 4 bones. So here, except Gudasthi, except coccyx, all other bones explained by Shushruta Samhita, in Ashtang Sangrah Sharirsthan, they have explained all other 4 bones except Gudasthi, that is coccyx. When we talk about Shroni Sandhi, they are joints of pelvis. So Trayaha Kati Kapaleshu. So here Kati means sacral region, probably we can take here, and like they all, like Kati Kapaleshu, Tunna Sevanyaha means the type of joint is Tunna Sevani type of joint or suture type of joint. And Guda Bhaga Nitambeshu Samudgaha as per Shushruta Samhita Sharirsthan. So here Guda means sacrococcygeal joint. So you can see here the black dot at sacrococcygeal joint, another black dot at pubic symphysis, that is Bhaga, and Nitamba is sacroiliac, that is another third black dot I have kept between sacrum and iliac. So these three joints are nothing but the Samudga variety of joints. Thank you so much for listening. You can subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for further updates and share this video amongst the students.